Good afternoon, class. Grade 11 Ontro. Today we will move into the next concept of understanding the role of technology and social media in creating new forms of business. Today it is an inevitable fact that the role of technology, particularly in a pandemic like Corona, almost every area, every business is dependent on technology. You cannot avoid technology under any circumstances. So let's understand how this has changed over the past 25 years. There's something called a digital revolution that has changed the way we work, the way we play, the way we get recognized. Everything about business also has totally changed, and there is a large impact of business. There is a large impact of technology in business. Consumers want more powerful devices, more applications, while business seek more cost effective technology. उनको profit की ज़रूरत है और customers need the higher level models of the technical gadgets. So to cope up with increasingly complex challenge. Now let's try to understand this digital revolution did not happen overnight. It took a longer period of time. So to satisfy the demands of to satisfy these demands, that leads to an explosive growth in data and analytics. New competition is almost in every field, disruption and realignment of many industries. All these is possible when you are able to strike a balance between the customer's needs and the customer needs a powerful device. The management or the business needs something that is very economical to manufacture so that it can make large profit. Right? After all, according to the needs of the customer only, you will manufacture a product. Right? Now we'll take an example. Let's understand a simple example. This is a very old example, students, but it is okay because it is given in the text. We will follow it. The emerging markets will create a plenty of opportunities related to smart technology, and they will not be limited to the profit enterprises alone. Only for profit making companies, only for great entrepreneurs. No, it is even for social entrepreneurs, even for orphanages, non-profit organization. Technology is significantly inevitable. In Kenya, for example, mobile phones are being used to collect data and report on diseases specific issues for more than 175 health centers. That simply means that it serves 1 million people. In the app, you can do it. This technology has reduced the cost of country's health information system. The country need not maintain a HR health information system. It can collect the data very easily through from the people through an app, 25%, and cut the time needed to report the information, because you are getting first-hand information related to the. Now even during Corona, you are getting na Arogya Setu, similar to that. So technology plays a very, very important role. Under the role of technology for our class, you will be understanding information collection, business intelligence, smart mobility, and cloud computing. For today's class, I will be focusing on information collection. What is information collection? It's a competitive world and information is money. In order to attract the customer, the entrepreneurs have to know the details, CRM, which is your grade 12 is currently learning now. Customer relationship management and customer details should be there. Suppose you call a call center of a bank and ask about some transaction related to a bank, and that fellow doesn't know anything about you. Your phone number should be more than enough. Have you not seen in Tata Sky recharge also, when you call the Tata Sky and ask some information, they first ask you to pen down or tell your mobile number or your digital login account number. Right? The age and regularity of the customer to the shop, preference of the purchase, all these factors, collecting the information and maintaining a database of the information. Now almost every organization is doing. The moment you put your phone number goes, Truecaller they'll know that you are this customer from this part, this is your account balance, this is your last transaction, everything they are able to say. Right? That is called information collection. Business will compete on analytics to differentiate themselves. So I'm showing a better customer service. Once, I think 2 years ago, I bought a Tanishq product, a small ring I had bought there. Till now, I'm getting SMSs from them. They're stating that on 13th August this happened and you had purchased. That was your anniversary. You have to do that. You have to do this. There is an offer going on, all etc. 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 Once you purchase, you're always a customer. The growing number of embedded sensors collecting information about the world and the rise of social networks, that is very important. Say for example, when I made a small kind of inquiry in Amazon app related to some kind of home furnishing, I was searching for a very good curtain base or change. Immediately I didn't buy it. I didn't like the color though, so I didn't buy. But after a half an hour, when I switched on my Facebook, I was able to see the similar preferences. Whatever I checked in Amazon is appearing in Facebook. That simply means they are tracking my taste, my likes and dislikes. right? IDC, a market research firm, is an example, no? Suggests that the amount of digital information created each year will increase to 35 trillion gigabytes by 2020, requiring 44 times more of the data storage than 2009. Yes, have you not observed in Facebook or Instagram or Twitter the amount of information that each and every person puts, the comments, the likes, the photographs, the pictures, everything put together? So much of memory, so much of trillions of gigabyte will be reached by 2020. Now, I'll give you example of telemetric. Example, telemetric applications are those applications that are very similar to GPS. They will allow organizations to send, receive and store information. Like smartphones. Smartphones can be used for this. Although commonly associated with the automotive industry, telemetric applications are now used in medical informatics, healthcare and other fields. I'll show you a picture of telemetric application. Something similar to this is operating, if a person is jogging or running, his phone is the hub, right? And see how the network works. You don't have to learn this much, but only out of my interest. So medical department is able to observe the fitness level of this person. There are so many apps that have developed today. Healthify app, Smart Learn app, Health is Wealth app. So many apps have been developed based on this technology only, right? So with this, we will conclude your information collection. What we understood in today's class is role of technology. We understood that the technology digital revolution has happened across 25 years from now, and then we understood the example of how Kenya is taking information from people. We also understood the role of technology and information collection. The first part we learned. Under information collection, we understood that having the proper information of the customer is very important for the success of the business. As the business is collecting information, they are also announced that by 2020, 35 trillion gigabytes of such information will be uploaded and there will be a lot of memory requirement. And then we saw an example of a telemetric application that operates very similar to your GPS. The Google device that gives you the Google Maps and all is using the fundamental basic app is telemetric application. Where I showed you the picture of a person, a healthy person, and how the other industries are looking at it, right? Thank you and have a fantastic day.